Skincare and makeup current obsessions plus Nykaa hot pink sale recommendations. First, skincare. Under eye cream from Beauty of Joseon. This is a good cream. So far, it's working very well on my under eye dark circles and puffiness. It gives a good effect whenever I use it at night and sleep. The next day morning, I feel that my dark circles are reduced a bit, and this is a very good product. I'm going to buy a bigger one. Also, I have used this advanced dark spot serum, targeting serum from Achaya with Melanie Complex. It has niacinamide and alpha-arbutin in this. Alpha-arbutin, as you know, and niacinamide also are very good ingredients for depigmentation or removing of tan. So during summers, all of our skin is very tan, and such kind of a serum is very helpful in removing the tan. This did not work much on the acne spots that I have, but yeah, it is a good product, average product I would.
Moving on to the
Makeup products that I am currently using and I'm very obsessed with. This one from ELF. It's a good soft glam satin foundation. This is a very lightweight foundation. If you want to splurge a bit on the foundation, you can use this one, and it gives a flawless skin tone. So after foundation, towards our eye makeup. So in eye makeup, I have few mascaras to share. Mascara is a waterproof one, and it has a very good wand, so it gives good voluminous lashes. It gives voluminous lashes. And I guess this one is very old, from like it has been more than a year, so I'm going to discard this, but I don't feel like discarding because this is a very good mascara I have. So after Lash Paradise, I also have this one new mascara from, this one is purchased from Japan. This is a gift for me. I don't know if you can find this anywhere, but in case you plan to go to Japan, see for yourself if you like such kind of mascaras. The wand is really good. It is very flexible, as you can see, and it is a very unique shape.
curved wand, and the wand should stand straight. A curved wand will hug your lashes from the root to the tip, curling your lashes as you coat them. Just run the wand along the inner and outer part of your lashes, and nice thing about these wands is you can use them in your top and bottom lashes.
One is very good. This one is very variant, and yeah, look out for sale. It does come on sale. Otherwise also the MRP is $2.99 only, and it is very affordable, but it gives a very soft effect on the lips. Other one, if you want more affordable than that, then this is from Fashion Color. It also makes the lips very soft and hydrated, and yeah, I like this a lot during night because it is quite flowy in consistency. Also, there are some lip tints and lipsticks, liquid lipsticks that I'm obsessed with. This one is from Insight. I have compared this with the Midnight Pink from Maybelline. This one, this is almost similar to that. This gives a very similar effect to that, but is very less sticky than the Maybelline Midnight Ink. So I like this one, and this shade is 5. After the lipstick, this lip stain from Blue Heaven is Chef's Kiss, because this looks like red.
Subscribe and follow for more such skincare and beauty videos. Thank you.